215 million years ago in the Triassic period, the first of the pterosaurs took flight, becoming the first ever vertebrates to do so. And just like their terrestrial cousins, the dinosaurs, the winged reptiles evolved into all kinds of different shapes and sizes. 108 million years ago in the Cretaceous, the largest of these beasts in its Azhdarchids soared through the skies, the largest animal to ever do so. But did these Azhdarchids really soar through the skies, or did they simply live their lives bound to the ground? So hey guys, welcome to Prehistoric History, and today we're gonna talk about the Azhdarchids and answer the question of, did the Azhdarchids, the largest of the pterosaur family, really fly? Azhdarchids were a group of pterosaurs that lived from 108 to 66 million years ago in the Cretaceous period. These guys were giants, and they may have even been the largest animals to ever take to the skies. But considering that the largest of them, such as Quetzalcoatlus, had a height of 9 feet tall and a wingspan of over 33 feet wide, it may be slightly difficult to believe that they could fly, especially with that neck. But how would they be able to fly with all those bizarre features? This had remained a mystery since a long time, until a certain research in which it was found that Azhdarchids had some certain adaptations in their necks that made them different from other pterosaurs. They had an optimal amount of connective tissue called trabeculae that supported their necks. They also didn't have certain neck features that other pterosaurs had. The absence of air sacs meant that the thin walls in their vertebrae were now stronger. They also had a reduced neural spine which gave their vertebrae a more circular shape that added strength to them. But why did Azhdarchids even evolve this way in the first place? This has remained somewhat of a mystery since a long time, but there have been some ideas that have something to do with how they fed. A long neck may have allowed Azhdarchids to reach further from the lake or river banks to feed. Alternatively, Azhdarchids were large animals with long wings, meaning that they would have to be in an upright stance when walking on all fours using their wings as forelegs. This meant that a long neck would help them reach and feed on small mammals or lizards if that was indeed what they ate. The river or lake bank hypothesis was a popular one for a while, but the only fossils of large Azhdarchids were found miles away from the areas that were shores during the Cretaceous period. Another hypothesis was that they were scavengers, but it seems unlikely that their beak and body structure allowed for this. So the most likely hypothesis as of now is that they stalked their prey through the ancient swamplands on all fours, waiting for the perfect moment to snatch away on very small vertebrates. So I hope you guys learned something new today. Please like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you loved it, stay tuned, and bye bye.